We're on number 13 now. Number 13 is 1/2 times 5 over 6. It says in the directions to draw a picture, but I'm telling you for these ones that you do not have to draw a picture. I just want you to solve these ones. So that's 1/5 times, that's 1 times 5, which is 5. 2 times 6 is 12. Answer is 5 over 12. Number 17, let's do that one. I've got 4/5 times 5/8. Again, I can cross cancel. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 4. Is 1. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. Therefore, my answer is 1/2. Again, I'm not requiring you to draw pictures just for those ones. We will draw pictures on the next page though. Number 19, we're doing some rounding now. We have to round these mixed numbers to the nearest whole number and then find the product. So here is number 17, 1 and 1/2. Let's look at that fraction there. It is at the halfway mark, so am I going to keep is it going to round to 1 or will it round up to 2? If it's at the halfway mark, it's going to round up to the nearest whole number of 2. What about 2 and 5/8? Well, again, what's the halfway mark here? The halfway mark is 4/8. Therefore, it's above the halfway mark, so we're going to round that up to 3. My estimated product is 2 times 3, which is 6. Again, that's not the actual answer, that's just the estimated, the rounded answer. Let's do number 23. This is 5 and 1/10 times 2 and 3/4. So let's round 5 and 1/10. Well, that one stays at 5. 2 and 3/4. 3/4 is past the halfway mark, so we're going to round that up to 3. My estimated answer is 15. Now let's take a look at number 25. We're going to be drawing pictures to solve these ones when we are dividing. So we've got a whole number 4 divided by 2/3. You get to choose what kind of pictures you want to use. What am I beginning with? I'm beginning with 4 holes. Alright, so I'm going to do circles. And I have 4 holes that I'm beginning with. And I want to know, okay, how many sets of 2/3 can I get out of these 4 holes? Well, I need to divide the holes into thirds in order to divide them up by 2/3. So here we go. Let's use our pen up here and get different colors so we can shade them off. So how many sets of 2/3 can I get? Well, there's one set right there. Let's get another color. There's another third and another third. That's 2 sets. And then let's do a green. There's another set. We're up to 3 sets. We've got 4 sets. A couple more. Let's see here. Let's do a pink or purple, whatever color this is. That's 5. And then lastly, so how many sets of 2/3 did we make out of 4 holes? Let's count them up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made 6 sets of 2/3 out of 4 whole things. Alright, and we want to write the answer in lowest terms. Which is the lowest terms? Do you remember how to check that using multiplication? Take your answer, your quotient, multiply it by your divisor, and you should get your dividend, which we did. Let's do another one. Let's do number 27. That's 1 divided by 1/4 is equal to what? Alright, I'm going to use a circle again. That one was easy. I've got 1 hole I'm dealing with, and I want to see how many fourths can I get out of that 1 hole. So I need to divide it up into fourths. How many sets of 1/4? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I can get 4 sets of 1/4 out of a hole. Number 29. It's 6 divided by 3/4. So I have 6 holes. Let's do rectangles this time. I've got 6 whole rectangles. And I want to count and see how many sets of 3/4 can I get out of 6. So I need to divide these up into fourths in order to count out 3/4. Oops, one too many there. Oh, no, that was correct. I know they're not all even, that's okay. So here we go. There's one set of 3/4. There's 2 sets. There's 3 sets. There's 4 sets. There's 5. There's 6. There's 7. And 8 sets of 3/4 that we were able to get out of 29. And then let me get a new piece of paper. We're almost done here. Number 33. We've got 1 divided by 2/6. So again, I'm dealing with just one whole, and then I need to divide it up into 6. Alright, let's do this. Here we go. I've got 6 here. So how many sets of 2/6 are in one whole? I've got, there's one set of 2/6. Here's another set of 2/6, and then lastly I've got another set. So how many was that? How many sets was that? That was 3 sets of 2/6 are in one whole.